Senior government officials, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bulavinaka and very good afternoon to you all. I'm honored to be here this afternoon on the invitation of Mr. Sakil, and I want to take this time out to thank this young man. Ladies and gentlemen, the story of Sakil and his family is an inspiration and an example to us all. In 2018, I had the pleasure of commissioning their new block manufacturing plant, which was initiated by Sakil and his brother Samir, with his father as the advisor. And after 4 years, we are here for the groundbreaking ceremony. Sadly, his late father, Chacha Tayyab Hussain, did not live to see his son's dream fulfilled because he passed away some years ago. But we can be sure that he is with us here in his spirit today. Today, the Natural Gifts Carriers Pte. Limited is embarking on another major project to expand access to housing for the Fijians as we break ground for the development of the residential and commercial lots here. It is another milestone for the NGCL for their efforts to provide reasonable lots. And this project, ladies and gentlemen, is in line with government's land subdivision program, whereby landowners give land on a development lease to subdivide and generate revenue. This groundbreaking ceremony signifies the development of 39 residential and 3 commercial lots with open space for the recreational purposes. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm told that the project will be completed in 12 to 15 months' time. This development will have all basic infrastructure like water, electricity, sealed roads, street lights, footpaths with weed drains. This development also means that there will be more jobs during the development of the subdivision and later on during the construction of houses. Ladies and gentlemen, Fijians should take full advantage of the first home ownership grant program, whereby for the first land purchase you can apply for $10,000. For the purchase of new home, you can apply for $15,000 grant, and for the construction of new home, you can apply for $30,000, provided your income is below $50,000. For those whose income is between 50,000 to 100,000, you can apply for $20,000 grant for the construction of new home and $5,000 for the purchase of new home. Government will continue to work towards its vision of providing affordable homes for all Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to congratulate Sakil and his family and want to wish all the best for the successful completion of this subdivision. May God bless you all. Vinaka, and thank you.